Good evening. So today I will be discussing some questions on modern Indian history. I am Shatuki Boiddo and we are starting off with a new series. We will be discussing 5 multiple choice questions every day. So modern Indian history is a very important component in your WBCS exams. It comprises 25 marks in prelims and 50 marks in your mains. So let's get started. The first question: when did Vivekananda found Ramakrishna Mission? The first option 1885, option B 1897, option C 1893 and option D 1866. So the answer is option C 1897, which is 1st May of 1897. So in this regard, I would like to say that the World Parliament of Religion, which was held at Chicago, was held on 1893. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. When was Hindu Female School founded? The options are Madan Mohan Tarkalankar, option B Bethune, option C Dirozio and option D Parichand Mitra. So the answer to this is option B Bethune. So in this regard, I would like to state that Madan Mohan Tarkalankar was a part of the Young Bengal movement. And who started the Young Bengal movement? It was Dirozio. Dirozio was the professor of the Hindu college, and Parichand Mitra was also a social reformer. Okay. Now moving on to the next one, the third one. In which year was the Widow Remarriage Act passed? Option A 1829, option B 1833, option C 1856 and option D 1890. So the answer to this is 1856. So let me tell you that the Widow Remarriage Act was passed with the help of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, the great Bengali reformer, and the regulation number 17, which was the Sati Act, by which the Sati was abolished, it was initiated by Ram Mohan Roy. Okay, and also the age. In this regard, I would like to say that the Age of Consent Act, by which the marriageable age for women was increased from 10 years to 12 years, it was passed in 1891. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Now the fourth question reads, the Calcutta University was founded in the year option A 1855, option B 1856, option C 1857 and option D 1858. So the right answer to this is option C 1857. So in this regard, I would like to tell you that the first Indian Vice Chancellor of Calcutta University was Sir Gurudas Banerjee, and he was the Vice Chancellor in the year 1890. And who was the first English Vice Chancellor? He was Sir William Colville. Alright, now Bharat and option D, A Nation in Making. So the right answer to this is option C, Bartaman Bharat. So Kathamrita was written by Mahendranath Gupta and Kathamala was written by Shaurendra Kumar Chakravarti, and A Nation in Making was written by S.N. Banerjee. Alright. Okay then, if you like this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe to this channel, and please hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. Please share it with your friends and family, and if you like our content, please consider subscribing to this channel. Please follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook and on Instagram. Okay, thank you.